My favorite part about going to BU Law is I find that the atmosphere is very supportive. I think a lot of people experience law school and they find that it's very tense and very competitive, and I've never felt that here. I felt that I've always been very supported by my classmates, by the faculty, and by the staff.
I think that a typical day in 3L year reflects each student's individual interests to a great extent. And so I know that in my typical days this year, I'm able to both take classes that I'm very interested in, as well as participate in activities that I'm very passionate about.
There are various places that people can find to connect with their community and network within their community. My organization is Outlaw. I'm the vice president of that group. It's a place that gay and lesbian, bisexual, transgendered, queer people, queer identified, and allies can get together to network and find other out lawyers in the legal field.
One of the things that I think is very important about the new law facilities is that there is a huge diversity of spaces available to both socialize, work, and also study in groups.
The places where you can study is, more than you might think, very important. And I not only had the library, but also rooms that I can book for me and my friends who are trying to study together.
So the one time when you're allowed to put in extrinsic evidence is when you are impeaching a witness's credibility with convictions under Rule 609.
The faculty, they're intellectual giants. My faculty members have been widely published, very informative. They are also really approachable. A lot of them have written articles about the questions of law that we're dealing with, or have had their own commentaries published in the textbooks that we're reading.
The Criminal Law Clinic has been, I think, one of the most impactful pieces of my law school career. And it provides the opportunity for students to actually begin practicing law while they're in law school. We would go to court one day a week and actually talk to clients that needed representation and take on their cases to begin representing them.
I've been pretty actively involved with our career development office in that I go to them a lot, and I have been since I was a 1L. My most useful interactions with them were through mock interviews. When I was prepping to interview with different law firms my 2L year, I'd go in and they would ask me questions that interviewers might ask me, and then give me feedback afterwards to try to improve my interviewing skills, which was really useful.
I'm very privileged to be in an institution where the students are not only smart, but very humble, and they care about each other and they really look after each other. And I think that is possible not only because of the individuals who are like that before coming to law school, but also because of law school that fosters that kind of an environment.